Fun fact, the human brain contains 86 billion neurons and about 1,000 trillion connections between them. That makes us super smart. In fact, so smart that we can create and recreate our destinies. Imagine this for a moment, that you could achieve anything. What will you be? The best you write? Well, I am standing here to tell you that you can be just about anything you want to be, as long as you own it and pray for it, despite all the opposition and disposition of your own thoughts. You see, although millions of people have heard someone tell them that nothing is impossible, they just can't seem to get it right, contemplate, and assert it correctly. Well, this is because of the fear of failure, or better yet, failure to learn from failure. It is said that doubt has killed more dreams than failure ever will. Well, I completely agree with this, because in our fear to express ourselves as the unique beings we are, we express mediocrity. It pains me to understand that many people don't understand that they are unique in their dreams and thinking, why why can't you? Yes, you face everything and rise, because if you forget everything and run, you will never know how far you could have gone with your dreams. Dear ladies and gentlemen, it is time to step out of our fears and face life, because in a world whereby mediocrity is highly exalted, we can decide to pursue our dreams with excellence. Statistically speaking, there are 7.7 billion people on this planet, and each of them is unique, especially in their dreams. So what is your dream? What is it that owns you? What do you think of when you wake up and before you sleep? Why are you living? When I hear my advice, pursue that. And in the words of a great man, some want it to happen, some wish it could happen, but some people make it happen. You see, it is not those who wish or want it to happen who make a difference in the world, but those who make it happen. So do not let anything stop you. Do not let the fear of inconsistency or inefficiency stop you. Just like Michael Jordan, who after being cut off from his high school basketball team, went home and locked himself in his room. It was him who famously said, I have failed over and over and over again in my life, and that's why I succeed. Or Walt Disney, who was fired from a newspaper company for lacking imaginations and having no original ideas. He later on went on to prove them wrong by creating the biggest animation studio in the world. Or maybe Steve Jobs, who was left devastated and depressed after being cut off from a company that he started. Well, he created the iPhone you're using today. You see, failure can be catastrophic. It can wreak havoc and take us on a mental and emotional trip that will much rather not go on. But failure has a purpose. It prepares us for the future, and anything that doesn't break us makes us. So failure is all a part of the journey to success. We are the authors of our own stories, and the pen is in your hands, not in the hands of your mother, father, or friend, but in your hands. So write a story that you'll be proud of. Just like Steve Jobs said, do not let the noise of other people's opinion drown out your own inner voice. Do not underestimate what you can achieve, because nothing is impossible. If we believe, nothing is impossible.